sabudana.
I'm going to soak in water for 4 to 6 hours.
After 5 hours, making half.
This packed, I'm going to freeze them and I'll use it later.
You can find the full ingredients in the description box below, guys.
100 grams tapioca balls,
Raisin and almond soaked in water. Saffron, cardamom powder, desiccated coconut, 100 grams jaggery, 300 grams evaporated milk, condensed milk, and then I'm gonna use almost 700 grams milk. It's gonna be 1 liter liquid and 100 grams sabudana. On high heat, I'm gonna bring it boil first. Then after the first boiling, I will reduce the heat and let it simmer. Simmering after 10 to 12 minutes, you can see milk is reduced to the half. Yeah. Sego Pearl, Tapioca Pearl or sabudana.
I'm gonna let it simmer another 10 minutes more.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, of course, and 1 banana. I'm going to open it. Adding here saffron and cardamom powder. Little coconut, almonds, jaggery, and banana.
Turn off the heat and let it sit for 5-7 minutes, then it's gonna be ready for serve.
Wow. My goodness.